tasty, spicy, and crunchy geoduck salad. If you enjoy fish or seafood, you might benefit from subscribing to our channel. Make sure the clams are alive and smell sea-like. Blanch the geoduck for just 10 seconds in boiling water, and then cool it in iced water, to stop the cooking process. Cut around the shell to free the tender body. Then chop off and discard its organs. Carefully remove the skin, starting at the body end, and going along the neck. Iced cold water made it so much easier to peel it off. Make a half cut along the neck, remove the tip, and rinse out any sand or grit from the center of the neck. Get rid of any extra moisture with a paper towel. Slice it up into thin pieces, just like you would for sashimi. The sweet, savory and slightly crispy pieces of deliciousness will add the perfect touch to the rest of the ingredients. Slice the spring onion into thin stripes. Peel and grate the ginger, using a fine grater. Quickly blanch the sprouts in boiling water for just 10 seconds. Geoduck slices only need 2 seconds in hot water to blanch perfectly. Plate the sprouts like a pillow, add a pinch of ginger for flavor, and mix it up to spread the delicious fragrance. Place a geoduck, and top it with fresh spring onions. Drizzle soy sauce and gently squeeze the lime over the top. Heat up some vegetable oil until the smoke rises. Pour it over your dish, for an extra flavorful boost. Enjoy an incredible explosion of flavors in your mouth. See you in the next video.